Hello and welcome to this edition of eBits, where we're going to show you how to place a stock order. From our main catalog screen, we're going to select Stock Check. And then from here, we want to go over to the Import Parts list. As you can see, there are a few ways to upload a stock list. We can do a copy-paste, we can manually enter a list of part numbers, or for larger lists, we can import an Excel file. In this example, we're just going to do the copy-paste option selected here. I've already created a short list of parts on my Excel sheet. It's important to note in this format that the quantity has to go first and then the part number, as stated here in the instructions. Pay special attention to that, or you'll be stock checking some odd numbers. In the larger Excel file list, the reverse will be true, where you put the part number first and then the quantity. So in this case, we'll just copy and paste our short list of batteries and put them in this field here, and then we'll choose Stock Check Parts List. In some cases, you'll have to select Part from List option because the part number may be used across several brands. In this case, we'll select our Group 65 battery. Once I've checked stock on everything, make sure that's available, I simply add it to my order by clicking here. Now we can go into our cart. After you've confirmed everything looks correct, we can enter a purchase order if we choose. And then just click Place Order. It's as simple as that. We hope this video has been informative and educational. We'll see you next time.